What's up, everybody? Jammin JD Sports Cards here. We have a box of 2018 Panini Prizm Football to Bust open today. $19.99, 20 bucks, 24 cards per box. So not bad, a little under $1 a card. Not too shabby. You get looking for one auto or mem per box. Hopefully we can grab an auto. That would be pretty cool. Look for the Blaster exclusive Disco Prisms, 3 per box on average. I love those discos, they are sweet. So, let's see what we grab in this. It'd be nice to pull one of those top rookies in the Disco Prism. That would be sick. Empty box. Little stack of packs. Let's get to cracking. Pack number 1, Charles Clay, Amir Abdullah, and the first disco is, hey, that's actually not too bad. Marquez Valdez-Scantling. Look at that beautiful card. Woo, buddy. There's a lot of goodness in that. Very cool. And Richard Sherman. Pack 2. Joe Mixon. T.Y. Another disco. Kelvin Benjamin. And Jamal Adams. Torrey Smith, Aaron Jones, Mike Gesicki, rookie, and Derrick Henry. Man, Derrick Henry coming in strong at the end of this season. Guarantee you he's won some people some fantasy leagues. Zeke, sweet. Hit that Zeke counter. Very nice. Kareem Hunt and the disco. Marshawn Lynch, beast mode, doing the disco. Not bad. Jimmy Garoppolo. Vontez Burfict, Tim Brown, that's cool, Hall of Fame card, very nice. Kyle Lauletta, rookie. Harrison Smith, last pack, we got our jersey card in here. Sadly, we're not getting an auto. Cameron Meredith, Matty Ice, oh no, it's a Mike White. Justin Watson, rookie. And there you go, premier jerseys, Mike White. All right. Not bad. Pretty cool. Definitely like those disco prisms. They are really cool looking. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you've not already, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.